You're probably overpaying for tires right now. And the worst part? You don't even know it. Most drivers don't. Because the tire industry is one of the best examples of how marketing quietly empties your wallet while smiling at you the entire time. Big brands don't lie to you outright. They just don't tell you the full truth. Here's the truth they'd rather keep quiet. There are tire brands on the market right now that will save you $100, $150, sometimes $200 per tire, deliver equal or better performance, and in many real-world cases, last longer than the so-called premium names. And no, these aren't sketchy no-name tires from the discount rack. These are established manufacturers with serious engineering, real warranties, and proven performance. In 2026, the tire game has changed. Today, we're breaking down the 7 most underrated tire brands of 2026. Brands that consistently punch above their price tag and embarrass premium tires where it actually matters. Grip, durability, noise, and winter safety. And one of the brands on this list. If you drive in snow, it makes some premium winter tires look like a complete joke. Stay till the end. Let's get into it. Why premium tires aren't always the smart choice anymore. Let's address the elephant in the room. Michelin, Goodyear, Bridgestone. They're household names for a reason. They do make excellent tires. But here's what most drivers don't realize. When you buy those brands, you're not just paying for rubber and engineering. You're paying for decades of advertising, sponsorships, racing programs, and brand recognition. That doesn't automatically make them bad. It just means price no longer equals performance the way it used to. Over the last 10 years, mid-tier and independent brands have quietly closed the gap. Manufacturing technology improved. Compound science evolved. Computer-modeled tread designs became cheaper and more accessible. The result? Some brands now deliver 90 to 95% of premium performance for 65 to 75% of the price. And in some categories, especially winter and all-terrain, they straight up win. This list isn't sponsored. Nobody paid us. Nobody sent free tires. We dug through independent tests, long-term owner reviews, fleet data, and real-world results. Let's start the countdown. Number 7, General Tire. This is one most people sleep on hard. General Tire has been around forever, but it lives in the shadow of its parent company and gets dismissed as just another mid-tier brand. That's a mistake. General's modern all-terrain and all-season tires are quietly excellent. Their grabber line, especially, delivers impressive traction on gravel, dirt, and wet pavement, while staying surprisingly quiet on highways. What really stands out? Consistency. These tires don't spike in performance early and then fall apart at 30,000 miles. They wear evenly, hold alignment well, and don't develop weird noise patterns halfway through their life. For trucks and SUVs, the Grabber ATX delivers solid off-road bite without the penalty of harsh road manners. If you want a tire that just works day after day, no drama, no surprises, General Tire deserves way more attention than it gets. Key models: Grabber ATX, Grabber HTS60. Number 6, Yokohama. If you follow motorsports at all, you've heard the name. But for everyday drivers, Yokohama flies completely under the radar, and that's a mistake. Yokohama focuses heavily on handling feel and responsiveness, not just raw tread life numbers. Their performance tires deliver serious cornering grip without the luxury price tag, and that DNA carries into their daily driver and truck offerings. The Geolander AT series is where Yokohama really surprises people. Owners consistently report excellent durability on mixed driving, highway, gravel, construction sites, with strong resistance to chipping and uneven wear. And here's something reviews keep repeating: Yokohamas feel planted. More steering feedback, more road confidence, less vague wandering at speed. If you want your daily driver or SUV to feel tighter and more controlled without paying premium money, Yokohama is a strong move. Key models: Advan Sport, cars; Geolander AT, trucks. Number 5. Kumho Tire. This is where value really starts punching above its weight. Kumho is a South Korean brand that spent years quietly refining its lineup, and in 2026, the results are undeniable. Their secret weapon? Warranties that rival or beat premium brands. We're talking up to 70,000 miles on some passenger tires and 70,000 miles on truck applications. That's not budget brand behavior. Their highway tires are smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring in the wet. Braking distances consistently test better than expected for the price point. The Road Venture AT52 is especially impressive. Snow-rated, balanced on-road manners, and durable enough for real use. One analyst summed it up perfectly. Kumho gives you most of the experience for significantly less money. If you're budget-conscious but refuse to compromise on safety and longevity, Kumho checks a lot of boxes. Key models: Krugen HT51, Road Venture AT52. If this breakdown is helping you avoid wasting money, hit subscribe. We test gear, cut through marketing nonsense, and save you from expensive mistakes every single week. Number 4. Toyo Tire. If you own a truck and actually use it, you already know this name. Toyo doesn't build tires for mall parking lots. They build tires for people who tow, haul, camp, and hit dirt roads without thinking twice. The Open Country AT3 is one of the most balanced all-terrain tires on the market today. Here's the impressive part. It's quiet. Most all-terrains make noise. That's the trade-off. But Toyo managed to keep road noise down while still delivering real off-road traction. Multiple long-term tests rated high for even treadwear, winter capability, and highway comfort. A rare combo. You get strong sidewalls, snow ratings, and a warranty that backs up the claims. If you want one tire that can handle daily commuting Monday through Friday and trail runs on the weekend, Toyo absolutely nailed the formula. Key models: Open Country AT3, RT Pro, MT, for serious mud. Number 3. Falken Tire. This is where things get serious. Falken's Wild Peak series has built a cult following, and for good reason. First, the price. Compared to premium all-terrain tires, Wild Peaks are often $100 to $200 cheaper per tire. That's not pocket change. On a full set, you're saving $400 to $800. But here's why people swear by them. They perform. Exceptional grip on gravel, dirt, rocks, and mud. Outstanding winter traction with 3 Peak Mountain snowflake ratings. Stable, predictable handling at highway speeds. And the tread life? Borderline ridiculous. There are documented cases of heavy pickups running Wild Peaks past 65,000 miles, with usable tread still left. They wear evenly. They stay quiet. They don't fall apart under load. For trucks and SUVs, Falken Wild Peaks deliver maximum value without compromise. Key models: Wild Peak AT3W, AT4W, MT. Number 2. Cooper Tire. This one surprises people. Cooper doesn't market aggressively. They don't chase hype. They just build honest tires. Their all-terrain and touring tires consistently test well for wet traction, tread life, and ride comfort. What really stands out is durability over time. Coopers don't feel amazing for 10,000 miles and then decline. They stay consistent deep into their lifespan. The Discoverer AT3 line, in particular, strikes a strong balance between daily comfort and real-world toughness. If you want dependable performance without drama, Cooper delivers exactly that. No gimmicks, no inflated promises, just solid engineering. Key models: Discoverer AT3, Endeavor. Plus number 1, Nokian Tire. And now, the Winter King. If you live anywhere with real winter, This brand should already be on your radar. But for most drivers, it isn't. Nokian is a Finnish company. And if you know anything about Finland, you know winter isn't optional. It's survival. They literally invented the winter tire. And in 2026, they're still ahead of everyone else. Their winter tires use specialized compounds that stay flexible in extreme cold, reinforced sidewalls for pothole resistance, and tread designs engineered for ice, slush, and deep snow. But here's what most people don't realize. Nokian's all-season and all-terrain tires are also criminally underrated. Quiet, fuel-efficient, shockingly good in winter compared to generic all-seasons. Drivers who switch to Nokian often say the same thing. I didn't realize how bad my old tires were until I drove these. If winter safety matters to you, not marketing claims, not logos, Nokian sits at the top. Key models: Hakkapeliitta, Winter, Nordman 1, Outpost, at. Here's the reality in 2026. You do not have to pay premium prices for premium performance anymore. Smart buyers look past logos and focus on engineering, testing, and real-world results. Whether you want sporty handling, insane warranties, quiet all-terrain performance, off-road toughness, or unbeatable winter safety, one of these 7 brands has you covered for less money. Now I want to hear from you. Which tire brand are you trying next? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to keep avoiding expensive mistakes, subscribe, because this is exactly what we do. See you in the next one.